Today's lesson is on topic 8, transformation. This is going to be the introduction. Transformations. Now, on transformations, it takes a pre-image. So this is the beginning, and it either reflects it, translates it, rotates it, or dilates it to become an image. So the pre-image is the starting location, what the object is at the beginning. The image is the pre-image after whatever transformation you do. So like right here, this one's called the pre-image. This one right here would be called the image. This one right here would be a translation because I'm basically sliding it. On the pre-image, we will label it like A, B, C. When you are done translating it, moving it, this becomes A prime, B prime, C prime. That's how you can tell the difference. Has there been some type of transformation? On this one, yes. Now, an image, yeah. And then right here, that's what I mean by the prime notation. So A prime, B prime, C prime. That's what you call on the image. A rigid motion is a transformation where the pre-image and the image are the exact same shape and size, but are in different locations. So that's called a rigid motion. So reflection, a translation, and a rotation are all examples. The only one that's not is a dilation, because that dilation shrinks it or enlarges it. The first one is going to be a reflection. A reflection is a pre-image that reflects, which flips. So it flips each point across the x-axis, the y-axis, or a given line. So in this case, this would be like the y-axis right here, because the y-axis goes up and down. So let's say that this is our pre-image of A, B, C. This would be our image, and this is A prime, B, oh, sorry. When it flips, this becomes C prime, and this is B prime. So a reflection is it just flips. That's going to be on the y-axis. This would be an x-axis one, because as you can tell, it flips from the top down. We'll say that the top, this is A, this is B, this is C. This right here would be our pre-image. And when you flip it down, if that's A, then this would be the A prime. The one closest to the x-axis, that's B. So then this would be the B prime. And then right here, that'd be the C prime. And this one right here would be called the image. And we also have across a given line. One main, a common one is going to be the XY line, which is the diagonal line. Y equals X line. We'll say this is the image down here, or pre-image up here. We'll say this is A, B, and C. So when I flip it, the one closest to the Y equals X line, that's going to be the A prime. That would flip to that one, and that would flip to this one. The next type of transformation is a translation. You're basically sliding it. So it slides. So right here, this is our pre-image. I'll say this is A, this is B, this is C. If I'm sliding it that way, this is a horizontal. Translation. This would be our image. So this is our A prime, our B prime, and our C prime. Right here, this one, I'm going to take the top and slide it down. This will be a vertical translation. So this is our A, this is our B, this is our C. This is going to be my pre-image. So when I slide it down, the top point, that's going to be the A prime. The bottom point is going to be the C prime. And the one on the left is going to be my B prime. Now this one right here, we're sliding it diagonal. So both X and Y are affected. Basically, I'm going to slide it to the left and then I'm going to slide it down. This is my pre-image. This is A, this is B, this is C. So when I slide it to the left and down or down and then to the right, This would be A prime, B prime, C prime. And then this would be my image down here. Next, we have rotation. Now, rotation, you're basically spinning it. Right here it says it takes a pre-image and rotates, which turns each point around a fixed point in either clockwise or counterclockwise direction for a given angle of rotation to become an image. So I'm going to basically pick a point right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pre-image and I'm rotating it around that point. So let's say that this is my pre-image. This is my A, this is my B, this is my C. If I'm rotating it, here's A. A is going to turn right here. So this would be my A prime. For the 90-degree angle, that's the C. So that's going to be my C prime, which leaves this one my B prime. And this becomes my image. Now this one right here would be a 90 degrees clockwise rotation. Or if you go counterclockwise, it's actually 270. On this one right here, as you can see, it actually does a 180. So it actually takes it and does a 180. So we're going to pick this point right here, and this is going to be a 180 clockwise. So I'll say this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, this is my pre-image. So if I'm rotating it, obviously the 90 degree, that's going to be my C prime. The A is at the top, it's going to be at the bottom now. And then the same with the B, it's going to be on the side. Now this last one, as you can see, it has like these ones light. So it's basically starting here and it's rotating all the way to here. This is going to be a 270 clockwise. 270 clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. This is my pre-image. Here's my A, here's my B, here's my C. Since the C is the 90 degree, the C is going to be the 90 degree here. Now, A is actually like the furthest point from the origin where it's flipping at. So that actually needs to stay the same. So this would be my A prime. And since B is close to the where you're rotating it at, this has to be my B prime. And this is my image down here. Now, the last one is a non-rigid motion. It's a transformation where the pre-image and the image are not the exact same shape or size. Dilations are examples of the non-rigid motions because look at this one actually enlarges. This one right here also enlarges. Or if I go this way, it does not enlarge. So I'm going to go this way. If this is my pre-image, this is going to be my image. So this would be A, B, C. This would be A prime, B prime, C prime. If I were to go this way, this would be my pre-image, and this would be my image. So here's my A, my B, and my C. So then this would be my A prime, B prime, C prime. And that concludes our notes.